Today there was a very strong gap up and a very strong closing. Look at the volumes here too, almost 100% increase in volumes, right? Even yesterday I've highlighted that there were increase in volume. So last 2 days there have been a series of buying happened in Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finserv, I have highlighted this yesterday as well. Keep in mind this is one another name, and today there was a very strong breakout happened in the Bajaj Finserv too. So that's a very strong chart, and even the volumes are very good. Both the Bajaj twins have been doing exceptionally well. We have been covering that in our videos for almost last 20 days. So it shouldn't come to us as surprise that we are forming each day we are saying how the price was developing on the chart, and this is how you would learn charts. That's why I'm emphasizing that if you learn to read a chart up 5%, look at the volumes. Massive volumes happened on Cholamandalam investing and finance company. So great. That confirms that the NBFCs are picking up. Let's look at Shriram Finance while coming. We will see. Look at this Shriram Finance. This was the thing. It struggled 2 to 3 days here, and today this was a massive volume. Again, highest volume in quarter. The volumes were up 200% almost today. So that's very interesting. Now we have three stocks in the entire Nifty 100 which were positive today and which are very strong, and all of them belong to same NBFC sector. That's how the sector rotation happens. We are seeing a live example today. The volume shot up by 420%. 1.72 million shares were traded today. Looks like there has been some news about UltraTech that it has been entering into a new segment, and almost all the players in this segment like Polycab KEI industry were getting hammered today. Warren Beverages down 6%. That's a massive exit. Look at the volumes. Highest volume in quarter, almost 200% jump in volumes. 20 million shares got sold here. This is how the smart money exits. That's why I'm highlight. Look at the price. Look at the volume. Now you are understanding, right? This is not me and you selling Varun beverages. This is some major players dumping the shares onto retailers or whoever possible. Those are buying. Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 65 of our 100-day price action challenge, and let's look at the market today. Nifty is very flat, right? Looks like it did not move or anything happened in the market. But look at microcaps. It was down again 2.5% almost. Small caps were down 2% almost. Mid caps were down again almost 1.5%. See, money is clearly exiting from the market. Looks like we are seeing a rotation across the market cap. Money is moving from small cap and micro cap to large cap. Hence, even in the large cap, if you just notice, Nifty next 50 is down 1%. But look at Nifty 50, it is just flat. It has been flat almost for the last three sessions when it broke down below this crucial support. Whereas Nifty Junior has been jumping up and jumping down. Looks like there is clearly a very strong divergence between market cap across the broad sector. Look at Nifty 500 chart again. It is also slowly stepping down now because micro cap and small cap were dominating the selling lately in the market. Even the Nifty total index is also making a series of lower lows and lower highs. Only Nifty has been staying there for the last few sessions. Even the last week also we were surprised that why was Nifty almost stuck here. This week it has opened with a gap down again. Looks like Nifty was is stuck here. No one is not willing to sell here. Now let's look at the gold. Gold has literally touched day before yesterday somewhere around this high. We thought anything could happen. Again, gold has taken a little bit of rest. Now I'm seeing a lot of news about gold audit happening in the US. That's the thing, right? Always the price discounts everything. Gold has already increased a lot. Now we are seeing a news out there that there is very important thing or a gold audit thing happening in the US. Hence, I always suggest you go with the chart, shut down all the noise you're having there. That would be very easy to trade. Even silver had a very strong gap up. There was a quick shakeout happening on the silver. Every single time silver, always I have struggled with silver is that it is very volatile. The same thing happened last time too, right? But look at the gold. The trend was very clear. Looks like it is taking a little bit of a break here. Now, the main reason Nifty did not correct or Nifty is mostly flat is just that thanks to all the finance bank stocks today, they were very strong today. Hence, we are seeing no correction in Nifty, whereas we have seen massive sell off in the Nifty microcap. Looks like Bank Nifty is the only sector apart from telecom space today which is positive, especially the private banking space. Even again, the PSU bank is also down 1%. IT, we have already seen somewhere here that it has broken down its long term support, and from that point onwards, IT was in a free fall. Looks like auto is also again down 1.5%. Not very new to our people, right? We also know auto, and the most weakest name is the reality space. It has literally closed at a 52-week low. Pharma is almost down 0.2%. Just a kind of flattish thing happened. Even infra tried to make a new low today. FMCG is down again 1%. Looks like even FMCG don't want to hold up to those levels. Telecom is just again taking a flat day today. Look at media, it is down again massively, down 4% almost. See, one of the most weakest sectoral charts is the Nifty media, then comes to the Nifty reality space. Now let's look at with our daily analysis of 100 stocks. Reliance is almost hanging at this 1200 zone, just the same thing. You see that if you open the Nifty chart here, do you see a very strong resemblance between Reliance and Nifty? So let me just open it. See the same consolidation and a quick gap down on the Monday. The same thing happened on the Reliance consolidation and a gap down on the Monday. So almost Reliance mimics the chart of Nifty. If Reliance breaks below this 1200 level, that would be very big trouble. I have been stressing out, so please be careful in the market. TCS is on a free fall. HDFC Bank is 1% up. Still, it hasn't decided its direction yet. It's moving up and down for the last few sessions lately. Bharti Airtel is again flattish. Maybe two had helped the Nifty hold up today a little bit. So thanks to Bharti Airtel today. ICICI is flat. Infosys is almost flat. It is taking a support at this zone, I guess. SBI is down 1% again, almost made a new 52-week low. See, this is not at all healthy. Major stocks. These were the leaders, right? These leader stocks making new 52-week low each day is not at all healthy for the market. Hindustan Unilever is down 0.4%, not that great. Bajaj Finance. Yesterday we have talked about Bajaj Finance that I have taken again a big disclaimer that I have taken a slight position, testing position in Bajaj Finance yesterday. Today there was a very strong gap up and a very strong closing. Look at the volumes here to almost 100% increase in volumes, right? Even yesterday I've highlighted that there were increase in volume. So last 2 days there have been a series of buying happened in Bajaj Finance. Not only Bajaj Finance, we have been talking this since the probably I remember from the last 10 sessions, right? All the NBFC stocks are acting very well. ITC is flat again, nothing interesting. LIC made a new low today, again a new 52-week low made by LIC. That is the second stock we are seeing today, which is making 52-week low. Even HCL Tech is again making new 52-week low. I guess already we could call this as a new 52-week low. So at least LIC, HCL Tech is paid, but it is rapidly giving up all the gains it had made in the past year. L&T hanging at this support level. Maruti again, not at all very good. Kotak Mahindra taking its time. We need a very strong move from Kotak so that just like if Kotak would be something like Bajaj Finance today, there would be a little bit relief for Bank Nifty as well as Nifty too. Sun Pharma is up 2%, but that doesn't change entire story. Nothing is changing on the chart of Sun Pharma, so no change in direction or trend. Mahindra and Mahindra down 2% almost. Nothing interesting. It is just hanging down here. UltraTech Cement, which was very strong chart today, it has broken down. Look at the volume. See, highest volumes in the quarter. The volume shot up by 420%. 1.72 million shares were traded today. Looks like there has been some news about UltraTech that it has been entering into a new segment, and almost all the players in this segment like Polycab KEI industry were getting hammered today. Even UltraTech has also, investor has not taken this one as friendly as possible because we are seeing a major exit here in UltraTech. Axis Bank just consolidating here, waiting to close above this level. That would be interesting to watch. NTPC not interesting at all. Wipro is hanging at this. Already the damage has been done. It has already broken down. The stock doesn't look much good now. Bajaj Finserv, I have highlighted this yesterday as well. Keep in mind this is one another name, and today there was a very strong breakout happened in the Bajaj Finserv too. So that's a very strong chart, and even the volumes are very good. Both the Bajaj twins have been doing exceptionally well. We have been covering that in our videos for almost last 20 days. So it shouldn't come to us as surprise that we are forming each day we are seeing how the price was developing on the chart, and this is how you would learn charts. That's why I'm emphasizing that if you learn to read a chart, it's very easy. You would not lose money. Even though if you lose money, you would lose very little money, but when you make money, you would make a massive money. That's why technical analysis or chart reading helps a lot. ONGC not looking good. Titan still hanging at the lows. Adani Enterprises very weak. Tata Motors another new low. That's third stock today. New 52-week low. Massive. I already highlighted somewhere that Tata Motor, if it breaks the low, we should be prepared for 650 levels. I told this somewhere around here or here. I don't remember exactly. But again, we have almost reached that 650 level in Tata Motors. So that's why again, charts, focus on the charts. If you learn to read the price, you will be very good in the markets. Power grid not looking good. Bajaj Auto made a new 52-week low today. See, almost. So not at all healthy. JSW still going sideways as of now. Adani ports, nothing interesting here happening. DMart also not looking good, very weak. Coal India hanging at the lowers. HAL made a new 52-week low, looks like it made a new 52-week low, yes. Not at all healthy. Zomato struggling over here. It needs to close about 240 level. That's where we were seeing. Nestle is again trying to move up. Last time it had move up. We had a little hope that the story of FMCG is changing, and then the drastic thing happened on FMCG. Asian Paints too almost has touched this support zone, not looking good. Adani Power, as usual, where we got rejected on this trend line. See here, right? So we should not just stick to the Monday's price action. Bharat Electronics, nothing interesting, needs to close above this 266 level. Trent made a new low today. See, not at all healthy. The market, all the stocks are making new low. Simons made a new low today. I really wish I hold Simons as of now. I did not want to handle such volatility. I have shorted somewhere around here and closed somewhere around here, but looks like from that point, Simons was down almost 30%. This was the perfect breakdown after almost long consolidation. The stock has perfectly clearly broken down here. Tata still consolidating here. Indigo again taking a little bit rest here. It needs to close above this trend line. That would be interesting to watch. IOC new low today. DLF another new low today. This is very drastic fall in the reality space. Grasim also got affected with the news. I guess there was spillover effect in the Grasim. It is also down 1.6%. Varun Beverages down 6%. That's a massive exit. Look at the volumes. Highest volume in quarter, almost 200% jump in volumes. 20 million shares got sold here. This is how the smart money exits. That's why I'm highlight. Look at the price. Look at the volume. Now you are understanding, right? This is not me and you selling Varun Beverages. This is some major players dumping the shares onto retailers or whoever possible. Those are buying it. So not at all looking healthy. Varun Beverages. IRFC going down and down, not looking good. Vedanta almost hanging at this. It has almost reached this 400 level. See, it has touched almost 400 and point 0.5. If it breaks below this level, could the Simon story repeat on Vedanta? Please let me know in the comment section. Tech Mahindra has almost reached its long-term support zone. Even if this happens, could the Simon story repeat again in Tech Mahindra? Back-to-back two charts are hanging at the support zones. Divi's laboratory still figuring out. I could have drawn a line somewhere around here, but that doesn't help, right? It had a price shakeout last time. Unless and until it closes below this level, I wouldn't be watching Divi's laboratory as keen as possible. SBI Life going sideways. LTIM. This is a free fall, I guess. See, we are seeing a lot of charts breaking down and the free fall happening in the IT space. See, almost from this point in the last four sessions itself, the stock was down. almost 12%. Geo Finance making new low, not at all healthy. Hindalco consolidating as of now. The trend is not very clear, but at least the selling is not happening in this stock. Pidilite made a new low today, going down, down, down. Eicher Motors, nothing interesting, very choppy name. HDFC Life sideways as usual, like SBI. Adani Green made a new low today. That's why not at all healthy. Bajaj holding up 4% but couldn't break this 12,600 level. Although the volumes are massive, looks like the Bajaj twins effect got into Bajaj holding too. PFC down 1%, not interesting. Low, the trend is not very clear, very choppy and sideways. Cipla going sideways. Ambuja Cement heading down again. Britannia very weak. Cholamandalam, that's a strong move happened here. See, yesterday we talked about it. Needs to close above this level, and today exactly that happened. Up 5%. Look at the volumes. Massive volumes happened on Cholamandalam investing and finance company. So great. That confirms that the NBFCs are picking up. Let's look at Shriram Finance while coming. We will see. ABB down 3%, not doing good. Tata Power not doing good. TVS Motor hanging here. Godrej Consumer sideways. Look at this. Shriram Finance. This was the thing. It struggled 2 to 3 days here, and today this was a massive volume. Again, highest volume in quarter. The volumes were up 200% almost today. It's a massive trend reversal kind of candle happened here today. We can confirmly say that the Shriram Finance the trend has changed. So that's very interesting. Now we have three stocks in the entire Nifty 100 which were positive today and which are very strong, and all of them belong to same NBFC sector. That's how the sector rotation happens. We are seeing a live example today. That's how the sector rotation, the smart money moves from one sector to IT. We never know. The money is strongly flowing out from IT, right? Recently, probably that money is moving into the NBFC space. BPCL made a new low today, broken down this mini support too, not at all looking healthy. Very weak name. Punjab National Bank down 1%. Bank of Baroda again down 1%, not looking good. Gale made a new low today. Torrent Pharma, not at all interesting. Sri Cement is, despite UltraTech is down almost 2 to 4%, right? Yes, I remember. UltraTech was down 4%. Sri Cement closed positively. That's why I don't understand. Sri Cement is very strong name, but it is very choppy on the daily chart. See, very wild move happens. The range is very high. REC not looking good. Tata Consumer, it is literally dead over here. United Spirits hanging at these lows. Looks like Havells had a major exit, highest volume in quarter, selling 6 million shares, 500% jump in volume. That's a massive. Even the candle is not visible. The volume has taken over the candle. That's a very serious exit made in Havells. That's why I'm highlighting out. Chart, price and action tells you the entire story. You don't need to wait for the news to come up. I can clearly see the transactions being made by institutional players on the chart. Naukri up 1%, but again, nothing changed in trend. Dr. Reddy is getting beaten down each single day. Dabur is also almost hanging at the support. If it breaks down, that would be a little bit trouble for Dabur. Apollo Hospitals almost closed at a new low today, not looking good. Zydo still acting very weak. Union Banking hanging there. Motherson Sumi made a new low, almost closed at a new level. See today, almost whatever gains it had made in last 1 year, it had given up entirely. Jindal still hanging at this support zone. Lombard again tried to move up, but again the closing was very weak. Hypro Life Insurance, I've told you it would be just a matter of time if it's breaking down the support, and it happened today. JSW Energy not looking good. Probably I've highlighted that a series of new lower lows is starting down, I guess. Indices closed above this mini consolidation, but again to confirm it more, I would wait for this 1100 level to be taken out. Adani Energy not looking good. Bosch very weak. Canara made a new low today, not at all healthy. Hero Motocorp down again. See, this little consolidation was again taken out today. Not at all healthy. Stocks are very weak. NHPC not doing good. Bharat BHEL is not doing good. ATGL again. IRCTC down again, made a new low today. 52-week no new low made by IRCTC. That's our 100 stock analysis. I hope that you are liking my analysis, and almost we are about to reach 500 subscribers. Once I hit 500 subscribers, we will do a special live session with all our subscribers during the market hours. That would be very interesting. So, for the first time, I'm asking you that please subscribe to my channel. Let's make it very fun live session. Please let me know how we should do the live session. Should we go for a YouTube live or should we go for a Zoom call? It's completely up to you, the subscriber. So I will do whatever you wish for me to do. So till then, see you tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching.